Yeah. Hello guys. Today we'll see what we call static and super keyword. Okay. The super keyword, the third application. So the first application of super keyword is to call parent class constructors. Guys, I'm giving a quick recap. Okay. Second one, to call parent class methods, and third one to access parent class variables. Okay. So yesterday I shown you these two ways. Okay, how to use super for parent class constructors and parent class methods, right? Today we'll see parent class variables as well. Okay. So I already written the application code. Okay, if you see here, my parent class value of x is 10. Okay, which is being overridden with x equal to 20. Okay, so I am calling display method. Okay, of my child, and inside display method I'm printing two values of x. One is x, which is a child class reference, and one is super dot x, which will refer parent class. Okay, so in this way you can use super keyword to print the parent class values. Guys, is that clear now? Hello,
Yes.
Kalpana, is that clear?
Yes, Sunil.
Okay, thank you. See, I have pasted here again. Okay, so idanamata. Okay, Adi. So let us move to the static keyword. Okay, guys, anyone, what is static keyword? Everything. చెప్తారా? What is static keyword? Anyone, Harika, or anyone, Kalpana, anyone? Guys, why so calm? Whatever you know, please speak up. Neha, you tell first. What is static keyword? Okay, what are its applications? Harika, what is static keyword?
Yeah.
Huh?
So it's like a constant, like it will be same for all of its instances.
Yes, the main point of static is
Shared memory.
yes. Static variables.
It belongs to the main class.
Yes. Static variables. Static variables are shared across all instances. Okay, shared across all instances. Okay, right? Okay. So the static variables are the static methods. Okay, or the methods can be called with the class name. Okay, am I correct? Right? Then, guys, anyone, static classes? Anyone have idea what is static class? Guys, the static class, I think you guys may not aware. See, static class, this topic we'll see in inner classes topic. Okay, separately. Okay, inner classes. Okay, at that time I'll give you quick brief of static class. Okay, so till that time you please aware, you please see, look into what is static variable and static method. Okay, right? Guys, uh now we'll write the code for that. Okay, guys, this example definitely it plays a major role in our understanding. Okay, so please focus from next 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, I'll try my level best to give the explanation. Okay, right? Guys, yesterday I told you need to open perspective, click on open perspective, okay? And select Java, okay? Then only you can write core Java applications, okay? These all things comes under, guys, these are all Spring Boot applications, okay? So in morning batch, I'm teaching Spring Boot, okay? Spring Boot microservices. They were able to complete in next 25 days, okay? So these are the applications which I have created as part of their course, okay? Yeah, okay. Okay, guys, my student class is already created earlier. Okay, so I'm going to use this practice project which we have created earlier. Okay, guys, am I audible?
Yes.
See, guys, first try to understand what this class is. Okay, so this is a simple model class. Okay, I have int ID, int mark, string name, and the student default constructor, student parameterized constructor. Okay, guys, I don't want to recap constructor again. Okay, so I think I have taken 2 to 3 classes right for constructor alone. Okay, right? So guys, this is a parameterized constructor. Guys, is that clear? Kalpana, is that clear?
Yes, Sunil.
Okay, so these are all getters and setters. Okay, so get ID, set ID. Okay, get mark, set mark, get name, set name. Okay, so this is simple Pojo class. Okay, now I'll take a variable static count. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ವಿಷಯ. Okay, static count equal to 0. Okay, suppose I have a method void increment count. Right? Acha, it is not x, it is count plus plus. Okay, right? Now we'll go. What is red juice? I think some by default I have given the name red juice earlier. Okay. Acha, I have using the streams. Okay, fine, fine. What is this? Water collecting now? Oh my god. Okay. Let me remove this all. Yeah, guys, I'll create 2 objects. Okay, one is for Kalpana, one object, and Manohar, one more object, and Neha, one more object. Okay. So first one, Kalpana. Okay, we'll see student Kalpana. Student. Okay, so the ID is 100. Okay, and what is the variable names? Student, sorry, name, ID, marks, name, right? ID, marks. Okay, let us assume 85. Name. Now this is the second object for Manohar. Okay, the ID is 101 and marks are 90. Name equal to Manohar. Okay, guys, after creating these objects like this, what will happen at the backend?
Will allocate a heap space for that one.
Yes, Neha. Okay. So after executing these 3 lines, see, internally, this is a call of a constructor. Kalpana, is that clear? This is internally, it will call a constructor. Okay, so student of. Okay, so it will call by parameters constructor. Okay, right? And in this parameterized constructor, I am mapping my local variables to the global variables. See, by using this keyword, guys, I think there is no need to repeat again. I feel okay. This ID, marks, name, we are getting the values from the line 8, 9, 10. Okay. And so once the local variables are assigned with the values, now I am mapping local variables to the global variables by using keyword this. Okay. Guys, is that clear? So at the backend level, what is happening means, okay, what is happening means, so there will be 3 blocks of space. Okay, let me draw that. There will be 3 blocks, right? One for Neha, one for Manohar, and one for Kalpana. So ID 100. Okay. What is the marks? 85. Guys, this is what happens at the backend level. Okay. And name? Okay. Now ID 101, marks 90, and name. Okay. And here ID 102 and marks 95 and the name. What is that? Last one, Neha, right? Neha, are you able to follow the class?
Yes, sir.
So this heap block will have some definitely some base address which will be assigned to OBJ. Okay, OBJ1. And this heap block will have one more base address which will be assigned to OBJ2. By the way, I told you yesterday the OBJ1, OBJ2, OBJ3, these are the reference variables which will create in the stack memory. Okay, not on the heap memory, right?
Yes.
Okay, and the same way this something like that. Okay, so this is OBJ3. Okay, I think guys, is that clear so far? And whatever
sir.
we are seeing on the screen, it is nothing but totally heap memory. Okay, now what about the variable count, guys? Anyone? See, we are always speaking about these 3 variables only. Then what about the static variable count? Chapandi.
It will be 0 only.
It will be 0. It will be somewhere in the class area or method area. Okay, all the static variables take place at the class area or the method area, which, see, this is a shared property. Okay, so all the 3 students have an access. See, suppose in a class, suppose there is a library, right? So all the college students will have an equal access on the library, right? So in the same way, so which is not specific to any object. Okay, that's why you are able to call the static variables and static methods with the class name. Okay, so you all the guys, all the 3 students have an equal access with the value of x. Okay, now you guys tell me what will happen now. Guys, now tell me what will happen now. Actually, it's count, right? Sorry.
It will increment and that value will only be accessed with overall all the
That is fine.
shared
So
amount
can
on
you
the
guys tell me what will be my output now? Guys, anyone? What will be my output now? So what we see, I am incrementing with reference to Kalpana. Kalpana, see, I'm calling with the Kalpana reference, right? So that means in my Kalpana, okay, so x equal to 1, okay, right? Then what will happen, guys? So about these three, see. So once the value of x is changed to 1, right? Okay. So all the three variables, okay, we'll see the changed value. We'll see the latest value of x only, okay, right? So here, obviously, guys, now tell me what these three values will print now. Huh? Guys, what it will
Print one only.
Yes, these three, see, even though you have changed the value of a static variable with a single reference, but it will reflect to the all the instances. That's why I told it's a shared memory, okay, which is not specific to any one instance, okay. Am I correct, guys? So let me run the code now. Right, like this, okay. Other matter. Suppose if someone is incrementing again the values will reflect, okay. Manohar dot increment. Neha, are you able to follow the class? Neha? Guys, now tell me what will be my values of 17, 18, 19, line 17, 18, 19. Harika, you tell me.
It will be 2.
Yes, it will be 2. Guys, please respond, right? Kalpana, are you able to follow the class now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in line 12, if my value of x is increased with respect to one object, it will be reflected across all the objects. Okay, in line 16, again, if my static variable value changed with respect to one object, it will reflect again all the objects, right? That's how it works, okay? Okay, other matter. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay, suppose if someone is changing Kalpana dot id, okay, equal to 333. Okay, now see this Kalpana id earlier it is 100, right? So now I am changing it to 333. Okay, will it reflect in some other objects? See, now it will be 100 to 333. So will it reflect in remaining two instances or not?
It will only reflect
Yes,
in
it
calculation.
won't reflect, okay, because it's not a static variable. Okay, it's an instance variable which is specific to the particular object. Okay, right? And there, guys, that's it. Okay, that's how you need to think with respect to static and instance variables. Okay, other matter. Okay, so I feel the concept is clear to you guys, right? Okay. Uh, okay, guys. I feel 1 minute.